Great moments are born from great opportunity. And that's what you have here tonight, boys. That's what you've earned here tonight. One game. Tonight, we skate with them. Tonight, we stay with them. And we shut them down because we can. Tonight, we are the greatest hockey team in the world. You were born to be hockey players. Every one of you. And you were meant to be here tonight. This is your time. Their time is done. It's over. Screw them. This is your time. Now go out there and take it.
Tonight, the National Hockey League season comes down to one final game. One game, one shot at history, with a chance to raise the Stanley Cup and have your name etched into eternity. Two teams, one game. In Game 6, the Edmonton Oilers found the will to survive by feeding off the energy of their fans. Now, it's our turn. One game to let the world know that Raleigh is a home of champions. One game for the Caniac Nation to push the Hurricanes over that final threshold and force the league to hear our roar. One more game. It's game number 7, and for the last time this year, the eye of the storm is upon us.